Today we are starting with exercise 3.2. First question of this exercise is find x in the following figures. They have given two figures and they asked to find the value of x. Here is the first figure. In the first figure they have given one triangle and exterior angles of this triangle. We know that triangle is a polygon and we have learned the property of the polygon that sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So here are the exterior angles of this polygon, 125 degree, 125 degree and x degree. When you will add all those angles, it should be 360 degree. So before solving this question, you must mention the property and then start to solve. So we will write property at first. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So 125 plus 125 plus x, these are the exterior angles and sum of this exterior angle will be 360 degree. We got here one equation, and while solving the equation we know that the numerals associated with the variable, you have to add or subtract whatever operation is there. First you have to go through that operation. Here 125 and 125 addition is there, so you have to add those numbers at first. 125 and 125, its addition will be 250 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Now again here we got equation 250 plus x is equal to 360. To find the value of x, that is to find the value of variable, you have to transpose the numeral associated with it to the other side. Now 250 is in the addition. When you transpose it to other side, it will get subtracted from 360. So x degree is equal to 360 minus 250 degree. Its sign will get changed. It will become minus 250 degree. And when you subtract it, you will get 110 degree. So value of x, we got 110 degree. This is the exterior angle of the given polygon. Exercise 3.2 question first, second figure. They have given figure of pentagon and they asked to find the value of x. Same property we are going to use for second figure also. Sum of the exterior angles of any type of polygon is 360 degree. Here they have given exterior angles and they asked to find the value of x. Now this angle, instead of giving angle directly, they have mentioned one sign over there. This sign indicates that this angle measures 90 degree. Here, instead of giving exterior angle, they have mentioned sign for the interior angle. This interior angle sign indicates that this angle is of 90 degree. When the interior angle is 90, you need to find the exterior angle, then you are going to use the property that sum of the interior angle and exterior angle is 180 degree, because they both form linear pair with each other and the angles in a linear pair is always 180 degree. That's why this angle is 90. It means other angle will be of 90 degree. Once you got to know the measure of the angles, now actually we will apply the property that sum of the exterior angles is 360 degree. So before solving the question, first you have to mention the property. Sum of exterior angles polygon is 360 degree. Now which are the exterior angles here? 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360. According to this property, when you take addition of all exterior angles, it will add up to 360 degree. Now we got here equation, and we know that while solving the equation, the numerals on the same side, first you have to operate those numerals. So with this variable 90 degree, 70 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree, these are the numerals. First we will operate those. There is an addition sign in all, so you have to add all those. So 90 plus 70 plus 90 plus 60, its addition will be 310 degree. We will write x degree as it is plus 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now we got here one equation, x plus 310 is equal to 360 degree. To find the value of x, transpose this 310 to other side. When you transpose any numeral from one side to other side, then its sign will get changed, means 310 will get subtract from 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 310, it will give you 50 degree. So value of x is 50 degree. This is the answer of second question. X is equal to 50 degree. Exercise 3.2, question second. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides and 15 sides. They are asking to find the exterior angle of a polygon. How to find the exterior angle of a regular polygon? We have learned that to find the exterior angle, you need to divide 360 degree by its number of sides. So first you have to mention that formula, which formula you are using to solve this. For first one, they have given number of sides 9. So what we are doing now? We are going to find the exterior angle of 9-sided regular polygon. So first we will write the formula, measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. To find the exterior angle, we are dividing 360 degree by its number of sides. How many sides they have given in first sub question? 9 sides. So here instead of number of sides, now we will write 9. We will replace number of sides by 9 is equal to 360 degree divided by 9. When you divide this 360 degree by 9, it will give us 40 degree. So exterior angle of a 9-sided regular polygon is 40 degree. This is the answer of first sub question. Now check with second. Question is same, just instead of 9 sides, now they have given here 15 sides. Same formula is applicable for second also. You need to find the exterior angle of 15-sided regular polygon. Same formula, measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. In the second sub question, they have given number of sides is 15. So we will replace this number of sides by 15 is equal to 360 degree as it is divided by sine as it is. Just instead of number of sides, we will write here 15. Okay, is equal to, now divide this 360 by 15, then you will get answer 24 degree. You have to mention here degree because you are finding exterior angle. It is an angle, so it is compulsory to mention degree sign there. So exterior angle of 15-sided regular polygon is 24 degree. When 9 side was there, then we got answer 40 degree, and for 15 sides 24 degree. Exercise 3.2, question 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? They have given here measure of exterior angle and they have asked for the number of sides. We know the formula how to find the exterior angle if number of sides have given. But here you need to find the number of sides when exterior angle have given. So we will make a big change in the formula of exterior angle. What was the actual formula? Measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. Now instead of that we will write number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by measure of an exterior angle. So let's write the formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by measure of an exterior angle. What was actual formula? Measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. But now here they have given exterior angle and they have asked for the number of sides. So just we have interchanged this number of sides with the measure of an exterior angle, because we know in the equation when you exchange the side of any variable or any numeral, then the number which is in the multiplication will go in the division. Now here number of sides and measure of an angle we have exchanged. So number of sides is equal to 360 divided by number of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by, what is the measure of exterior angle in the question they have given? This is 24. So 360 degree divided by 24 degree is equal to, when you divide this 360 by the measure of exterior angle, then you will be getting here 360 by 24, that is 15 sides. This is the answer. When the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree, then that will be a 15-sided regular polygon. So in the answer you can mention there how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24. In the answer we will write there number of sides is equal to 15.